Hey, it's Kelli Worley, registered dietitian nutritionist with Nutrition Solutions. Have you ever wondered what the difference is between a meal replacement drink and a protein drink? You're not alone. I get this question all the time. A meal replacement drink is something that includes the three macronutrients, carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, in a balanced way. Now, they can range anywhere from about one serving of fat up to the most I've seen about 3 servings of fat. Protein can range anywhere from one serving up to about 3 servings of protein. And for carbs, I've seen anywhere from one serving of carbs up to about 4 servings of carbs. So it can really vary. But this is one example, this Carnation Instant Breakfast High Protein. It is about 220 calories. It includes 6 grams of fat, 26 grams of carbs, and 15 grams of protein. So it's about 2 carb servings, 2 protein servings, 1 fat serving. So it is meant to replace a meal, as the name implies. So meal replacement drinks are going to be any variety of Carnation Instant Breakfast. Your Boost Regular Original or Ensure Original, or your Boost High Protein or your Ensure High Protein. Some of your diet type drinks like Slim Fast or Carnation Instant Breakfast or the Special K drinks. So those are going to have a balance of carbs, proteins, and fats, and so they're meant to replace a meal. There are different varieties, though. Like I said, there's the regular, the original, the high protein like this one, the high calorie one. So most of the time I don't really recommend just the regular ones like the Boost Original, Carnation Instant Breakfast Original, because they only have usually like 1 serving of protein, which is not a lot. That's like the equivalent of like a piece of cheese. So if you're really looking to replace a meal because you're trying to lose weight, I would recommend the ones that are the high protein versions. So Carnation Instant Breakfast High Protein or Ensure High Protein or Boost High Protein, something like that. So those are meal replacement drinks. Now, protein supplements or protein drinks are something like this. So it really is just mostly protein. There's no added carbs or maybe just a few grams, really no added sugars, no added fats. Fairlife is one of my favorite brands. The 30-gram protein one and the Core Power are good options. A lot of my patients love the Boost Max, Ensure Max. So look for the keyword Max if you're choosing Boost or Ensure. Premier Protein, you can kind of see them up there on my shelf behind me. Those are the ones that my clients really like. And those are, again, as the name implies, they just supplement protein in your diet. So it's not really a balanced meal. So they're meant to add extra protein. So some reasons that you might use it is maybe you have a favorite high carb breakfast like oatmeal or avocado toast and you need a protein boost. Then drinking a protein supplement drink with it would be a perfect way to round out that meal. Another way to use it is maybe on your busiest work days when you don't have time to go get lunch is you have a protein supplement drink. So you're getting a good source of protein and then grab like a piece of fruit, like an apple, a banana, a box of raisins, or some whole grain crackers. That way you're getting the benefit of the extra protein and the fiber. So that double punch of protein and fiber is going to fill you up and help it stay longer in your stomach so you stay satisfied longer. So that's the difference between meal replacement drinks and protein supplements. Meal replacement drinks, as a reminder, have a balance of protein, carbs, and fats. They can be used as a meal replacement if you're trying to lose weight. Just look for the high protein ones, not the originals or not the high calorie ones that you would see someone drinking who's trying to gain weight. Look for the high protein ones. If you would like to choose a little bit of, in my opinion, better option for a meal replacement, I'd say do the protein supplement drink and a carbohydrate. So again, a piece of fruit, whole grain crackers, some popcorn, something like that. Or if you're just trying to round out your meal, a high carb meal with extra protein, choose the protein supplement drink. So I hope that clears up your confusion. Check out my blog at intentionaleating.net for more tips. And if you want help with your own diet, check out my Intentional Eating 101 course, where I'll teach you everything you need to know to reach your health goals by tweaking your diet.